Cody. No cuddles, Cody. Here. Cody, come on. You want to cuddle? Come on. You want to cuddle? Come on. You've got your claws into my shirt. Ow. Would you like a cuddle? Huh? Would you like a cuddle? Ow. Come on. Come on. Have a cuddle, Cody. Come on. Come and have a cuddle. Come on. Why you put your claws? Ow. Ow. Oh. Look at me. Cody, look at me. Look. No. Look at me. Hello. He's not looking. Come on, Cody. Let's have a cuddle. Come on. Get him. You want a cuddle? Come on. Come on. Let's have a cuddle. Let's have a cuddle. Come on. Let's have a cuddle. You don't like being cuddled. This is my cuddly cat. Not. And he won't look me in the eye either. Come on. Let go of his paw. You want to cuddle? Come on. Come on. There he goes. Okay, time for another cuddle? Come on. Come on. Come on. Do you want a cuddle? Come on. Oh, there's his feet. Come on. Come on. You cuddle. Kiss. Kiss. Turn around. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Look, he's got his eyes shut now. Kiss. Come on. His feet are... Just relax. Relax. Come on. Come on. Just relax. Relax. Don't look so cross. Put him down. He'll go. Okay. Come on. Let's have a cuddle. Let's have a cuddle. Come on. Let's have a cuddle. Hurry. Cody, let's have a cuddle. Cody. Come on. Cody. Come on. Let's have a cuddle. Come on. No. Oh, does that feel nice? Got to do it the other way because it's not coming on. Nice? Oh, does that feel nice? Oh, that's better. That's better than cuddles, isn't it? Isn't that nicer than cuddles? Huh?